Hi, service learners. I'm so excited to get the semester started with you this year. There's a good group of you, and there's a lot of really amazing placements for you guys to choose from as the place that you dedicate your semester to working in. So um, I'm just kind of reaching out to say hello directly to you guys, but we're going to hang out tomorrow. We're going to talk. We're going to meet each other. What I would ask you to do is this is your module. So I'm not sure how many of you are really good at the Canvas situation, but if you're not, get on here and goof around with it a little bit. This is a face-to-face class predominantly, so you don't have to be really good at Canvas, but all the things that you need are here. And so I want to make sure that you're able to find them. There's a reader that is just for your information that we won't be necessarily using on a regular basis, but it's got a lot of fundamentals of service learning, and it's downloadable, so you can keep it, share it, do whatever you want with it. This is an open source class, so I don't use a zero cost class, so there's no material cost for you guys, obviously. What I would like you to do is to look over the syllabus briefly, but more so look at this fieldwork catalog, okay? So this has all of the placements that we work with every semester. So you get to choose from all of these placements in terms of where you'd like to spend your time. So it would be great if you would have looked at this before we get together tomorrow so that you can maybe, you know, see if there's any ideas that are exciting to you already. And what happens is the next 3 weeks after tomorrow, we have visitors come in, and then they talk about what their placements are like in terms of the agency, what they do, who they serve, those kinds of things. So you'll have an opportunity to hear from people directly, but not everybody on this list shows up. So this is the full amount of placements that are available to you. So I really want you to be able to look at all of them and then make a choice. And obviously, since I've been teaching this class for a while now, I have experience with, most of these placements. And so I can provide you feedback as to, how much mentorship you'll get versus, what type of work it'll be, those kinds of things. And so it'd be great for you to come in with an idea. That being said, if you don't, we'll figure it out. But it's kind of nice to kind of look ahead. I don't choose for you, right? You guys choose for yourself what looks good to you. I can make suggestions and I can help you think things through, and I'd love to be able to do that. But if you're set, you want to work suicide prevention, or you want to work with kids, or those sorts of things, then we can get you, directed that way so that you find what you're looking for. So I'll see you tomorrow. So we're going to meet tomorrow in, I think it's AC 246, but I'm going to confirm that with you. So yes, AC 246 tomorrow at 3:10, okay? So I will see you tomorrow. We'll get started, and I look forward to working with you. This is such a great class. I hope you love it as much as I do. All right, take care.